Hello once again, dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, MTech, and one of my videos. So in this video, we are going to design or make a completion certificate in Microsoft Word 2016. So before starting this video, so please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, share it with your friends. At the end, if you have any question, you can write down in comment. So let's start and launch our Word 2016. And choose blank page, and by choosing blank page you have to come layout menu and change the orientation to landscape. After that we have to put some border here to looks a little bit cool and like real certificate. So let's find some cool border from here. So I will choose this one, and color you have to choose a color, no color. Okay, we already inserted the border and we need some text. We come to insert and draw text box. From here we are going to write the name of our institute. Choose the align text middle to locate our text in middle, and also right click here, increase the size of the text. So, and come to home, make it center. I will write like coding center. And also let's change the color of this one to dark blue, and also change the font. So let's format the shape this background, and shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. And also from here we need another text. I will come to insert menu, and also text box, draw text box. At the below of this text I will add another text box. Again I will come to format, align text middle, and home, make it center, and change the color to black, increase the size to 22 or 24, and write certificate of completion. Certificate of completion. Completion is here. So let's bring it in the center here, and also come to format, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline, and also make it bold, and make it a little bit down, and select the text, right click on it, or you can come to the home menu, or from here you can make it a little bit bigger. So again we need some more text. Come to insert menu, text box, draw text box. Draw your text box here, and again line text middle, and write your text. Right click, increase the size of text to 14, or 16 is hereby awarded awarded to. So make it center, come to home menu center, and also increase the size of text format. Ship fill, no fill. Ship outline, no outline. We need some name of person to add here. So before that, we are going to draw a line shape. So here we draw a line, and also ship outline is going to be black, and also put it in the center. So make sure this one is like straight, and also located in the center and good positioning. Okay, let's add the name of person here. Again, I will just copy this one and paste it here. Instead of coding center, I will write some name. I will write John George. It's an example of someone's name, and make it like on the line. So is here awarded. So, does it look in center? Okay. Again, we need some text at the below. We are going to add it, copy, just paste. For completing the, and also we are going to add the name of the course. So I will just copy this one and paste, bring it here. I will write the name of the course, HTML5 and CSS3. CSS3. Make it a little bit up, and so until now we are done. And also I will just write one more text here. Again, I will just copy this one and paste. I will put it here in the center, and also I will just delete this one, and instead I will write thanks for demonstrating so thanks for demonstrating. And let's add some more text here. So what should we write here? So thanks for demonstrating the type of character and integrity that inspire others. That inspire others. So let me, okay, just our text is finished, and also let's put some date in here. I will come to insert and also draw text box again here. In here I will add like I will just align text middle, and also I will increase the size of the text. I will write date. So inside bracket you can write that date. I will write today's date, 15 of 2021. Okay, you can just again come to format and also ship fill, no fill, ship outline, no outline. Again, we need some line like this. Let's come to take this one and draw it here. Ship outline black. So bring it a little bit up. So in here, write the name of principal. Again, I will just copy this one, or maybe this one is okay. Just click on the border in here and also copy it. Control V, paste. Bring it here, and instead of HTML and CSS, write like your name. I will write like this, doctor, not principal of. So let and decrease the size of text. Principal of this institute. Okay, coding center. And also come to format again. No need to come format, and also just bring it to the center. In here the manager will sign. Okay, almost ready. Just one more thing. If you wanted to add the name of your center or a logo, you can add it. Okay, I will add a logo. I will come to design menu, watermark, custom watermark, and also picture watermark. Select picture and browse. So I already add this to my computer. Also put the tick mark here in order to look a little bit not too much with full color. So guys, our certificate is ready. We design very simple and beautiful and cool certificate in a easy way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. And again, if you have any question or if you have any suggestion, you can write down in the comment. Not forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.